Namaste. Hi, my dear Dantika students. How are you? I am fine. Today we are discussing about 14.1 exercise. 14.1 exercise. Each problem, page number 338. Okay. A chart teacher has the following attendance record of 40 students of the class for the whole team. Find the mean number of days a student was present out of 56 days in the team. Okay? Okay, so we have to find the mean by using mean. Here it did not mention any method. If the method is mentioned, then in that method only you have to do. If the method is not mentioned, then we can do in any method. Okay? So, now this problem you can do by using deviation method. Okay? Assuming method. Okay? Assuming the mean method. Okay? Now 35 to 38, 1, 38 to 41, 3, 41 to 44, 4, 44 to 47, 4, 47 to 57, 50 to 53, 10, 53 to 56, 11. Okay, now these are the class intervals, these are the frequencies. Now we have to find the sigma fi value, means what sum of all the frequencies. Okay, that is nothing but sigma fi. Sigma fi equal to 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 10, 29, 29 plus 7, 40. Okay? 40. Sigma fi equal to 40. Okay? Now I have to find out the values of xi. Okay? 35 with 38. How much? 35 with 38. How much? 35 with 30. How much? 65. 65 with 8. 35 plus 38. How much? 8 to 13. Okay? Now 73. Okay, 73 by 2. 73 by 2. That is nothing but 32.5. 32.5. Okay, net 38 plus 41. How much? 38 plus 41. How much? 8 plus 9. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay? 38 plus 41. Okay? 8 plus 9. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay? Now 79. 79 by 2. 34.5. Okay? 34.5. 34.29. 79. 79 divided by 2. How much? 79 divided by 2. Okay? 2 to the 6. Okay? 1 no. 2 to the 6. Okay? 1 no. 2 9 the 18. 39.5. Okay? 39.5. Okay? Then this is 39.5. Next, 41 plus 44. How much? 85. 85. 85 divided by 2. 85 divided by 2. Okay? So, 2 हो जाए 8. Okay? 2 हो जाए 8. Okay? 2 हो जाए 8. 5. 2 to the 4. To the 4. So, 42.5. Okay? 42.5. Okay? Now, observe here. The difference between the upper and lower boundary of two capacities. Upper boundary of two capacities. Okay? So, you see here, 5, increasing now. Next, 85.5. 85, next, 44 plus 47. How much? 44 plus 47. 44 plus 47. How much? 91. 91 by 2. Means 45.5. 45.5. Okay? Now, I think the first one is wrong. You can do again. Okay? Because the values are not time. Okay? Again you can do. 38 to 33, 73. Okay? 38 to 35, 73. 73 by 2. 73 by 2. Okay? 2 to the 6. Okay? Now, on 3. Okay? On 3. So, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay? So, 1. So, 36.5 is the first exercise value. 36.5 is the first exercise value. Okay? So, 36.5, 39.5, 42.5, 45.5, and 47.5, 48.5, sorry, 48.5, okay, 48.5, 51.5, 51.5, 51.5, again, 54.5, okay, 54.5, because the height is something what the difference between the lower boundaries is 3. So we have got 3, 36, 30, 39, 39, 30, 42, 42, 30, 45, 45, 30, 48, 48, 30, 51, 51, 30, 54. Okay, now in this I am taking 45.5 as A value. Okay, now 45 minus 36, 9. 36 minus 45, minus 9. Okay, next 39 minus 45, minus 6. Okay, 42 minus 45, 42.5 minus 45.5. Next, then you can get it as minus 3. Okay, now 45.5 minus 45.5 is 0. Next, 48.5 minus 45.5, 3. 3.0. 3.0 is nothing but 3. Okay, now 51.5 minus 45.5, 6. Okay, net 54.5 minus 45.5, 9. Okay, 9. Okay, now FIDA. Now 1 into minus 9 minus 9. Okay, 3 into minus 6 minus 18. Okay, now 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Okay, now 4 into 0, 0. Okay, now 7 into 3, 21. 21. Next, 10 into 6, 60. Okay, next, 11 into 9, 99. Okay, now these are the FIDA values. Assume meanwhile what A equal to 45.5. 45.5. Okay, now sigma FIDA values. Sigma FIDA equal to 18 plus 12, 30. 30 minus 30 is 39. So minus 39 plus 0 plus 21, 21. 21 plus 60, 21 plus 60 how much? 21 plus 60 how much? 21 plus 60, 81. Okay? 81 plus 99. 81 plus 99. Okay? That is nothing but 9 plus 1, 10. Okay? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So 180. 180. Okay? So 180 minus 39 we have to do. Okay? Then we can get the value. FIDA value. Okay? So 10 minus 9, 1 no. 7 minus 3, 4. 141 is the FIDA value. 141. Okay, now we have obtained all the values of FIDA. Okay, now next step is nothing but okay. Now go down the value. Now we have to find the mean value. Okay. Now mean value. Okay. XY equal to assume mean value A plus sigma FIDA by sigma FI. So equal to 45.5 45.5 plus FIDA 141 by 40. Okay, now 141 divided by 42. Okay, 141 divided by 40. Okay, 40 is 200, so 40 is 120. Okay, direct division. Okay, so what is my 21? 21. So put a point. Then you can get 0 to 10. So 44 is 45 is 200. Okay, 200. Okay, 10. Okay, now again you can give 1 0. Then 42 is 80. 20 it goes on. Okay, 20 you get. Okay, again keep 0. 45 is 200. Okay, 45 is 200. Then minus 0. Okay, so 141 by 40 equal to 45.5. 45.5 plus 3.525. 3.525. Okay, 3.525. Okay, now nothing but equal to 5 2 5 plus 10 1 carry. Okay, no 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. Okay, keep point 49.025. Okay, so the mean number of days a student was present equal to 49.025. That is nothing but approximately 49 days. Okay, any doubt? Now next problem. Next problem is our ninth problem. The last problem in exercise 14.1. The problem is the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Okay, find the mean literacy rate. Okay, means what the literacy rate from cities are given. Now we have to find the mean literacy rate. Okay, of all the cities. Okay, for that we have chosen the direct methods. Okay, so these are we can 45 to 55 3, 55 to 55 10, 55 to 75 7, 75 to 85 8, 85 to 95 3. Okay, these are we can see right. Okay, now we have to count. 3 plus 10 13, 13 plus 7 13 plus 7 24, 24 plus 8 32, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 3 35. Okay, so sigma Fi equal to 35. Okay, now exercise 45 plus 55 how much? 45 plus 55 how much? 45 plus 55 how much? Count. Add 5 plus 5 10, 1, 4 plus 5 9, 100, Okay, 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means what? 50. 100 by 2, 50. Okay, now 55 by 65, how much? 55 by 65, how much? 55 by 65. 55 by 65. How much? 5 by 10, 1, 5 by 1, 6, 6 by 6, 12. 120 by 2, 60. Okay? So the difference is 10 now. The difference between any two lower boundaries or any two upper boundaries is 10. So the difference between any two xi is also 10. Okay? 50, 60, next 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. Okay? Now these are the corresponding xi values. Okay? Now multiply fi into xi. How much? 3 for 15. 150. Okay? 10 6 60. So 10 6 60. 600. 600. Okay? 770. 770. 770. Okay, next 8 is 54. 640. 640. Next 3 9 20. 27. Okay? 3 9 what? 27. So 270. 270. Okay? Now count the total values of your weight. Okay? Then what you can add? Okay? Now 150 and 150 plus 600 plus 770 plus 640 then 270. Okay? Now 0, your 0, no, so 0. Now 7 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 2. Okay? Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 22. 22 by 2, 24. So, the value of sigma fx is equal to 2430. Okay? Sigma fi x is equal to 2430. 2430. Okay? Now we have to find the value of mean by using direct method. Okay? Now, you can find now I have to calculate the mean by using direct method formula. Okay? xy equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi xi by sigma fi sigma fi. Okay, nothing but xy equal to 2430 by 2430 by 35. Okay, now you can cancel both numbers with 5. Okay, so 5 4 to 20. Okay, 4 left to right. Okay, 40 means 4 is a 40. 5 is a 40, 3 left to right. So 5 6 is 30. Okay, now 5 7 is 35. Okay, okay, now xy equal to 486 by 7. 486 by 7. Okay, now divide. 486 divided by 7. 486 divided by 7. Okay, so 7 6 is 42. 7 6 is 42. Okay, now 6, take out 6, bring down 6. Okay, now 56. 7 9 is 53. 7 9 is 53. Okay, 3 left back. Okay, now point. Okay, keep 0. 7 4 is 28. Okay, again 2 left back. 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 14. Again it is repeating decimal. So the answer is nothing but 69 point xy equal to 69.42 percentage. 69.42 percentage. Okay, that's what the mean literacy value is nothing but 69.42 percentage. Why percentage? Because the given values are in the form of percentage. So the answer is also in percentage. Okay, in doubt? Now next problem. Now the exercise is completed. Now we are going to do the examples before exercise 14.1. Okay. Now we are going to the example number 3. Okay. What is example number 3? The periodic equation shows the number of wickets taken by bowlers in one day. In one day, in cricket matches. In one day cricket match. Okay. Find the mean number of wickets by choosing a suitable method. Okay. What does the mean signify? Okay. What does the mean signify? Okay. 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 So here in now example the solution is in a subdivision method. Okay. But we are doing in a assuming mean method. Why? Because 20 to 50, how much difference? 40. 50 to 100, 40. 100 to 150, 50. Into what? The height of the cast interval is, the height of the cast is not same. Okay? Height, अन्नी cast मध्य height ने value equal to. So in that case, better we can better choose either assuming mean method or the direct method. Okay, so I am choosing the assuming mean method. Okay, so 20 to 57, 50 to 100, 5, 100 to 150, 60. 150 to 250, 12. 250 to 350, 2. 350 to 450, 3. Okay? Now, exercise. So, before that, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 12 plus 16, 28. 28 to 12, 40. 28 to 12, 40. 40 by 2, 42. 42 plus 3, 45. So, sigma Fi equal to 45. Okay? Now, sigma Fi equal to 45. Okay? Now, exercise. 20 by 60, 80. 80 by 2, 40. 80 by 2, 40. Okay? Next. 50 by 100, 160. 160 by 2, 80. 160 by 2, 80. Okay? Next. 100 plus 150, 250. 250 by 2, 125. 125. Okay? Here we have to do all exercise by using the formula because the height of the cat is not fixed. Okay? So we have to do by using the our formula. That is nothing but our boundary base, upper boundary by 2. Okay? Now this is the 125. Then 150 by 250, 400. 400 by 2, 200. Okay? 200. Okay? Next. 250 by 350. 250 by 350, 600. 600 by 2, 300. Okay? 600 by 2, 300. Okay? Now, 350 by 450, 700. 700 by 2, 350 by 450, 800. 800 by 2, 400. Okay? 400. Okay? Now, in this I am taking 200 as assuming IU. Okay? Now, 40 by 200 minus 160. Minus 160. Okay? Now, 80 minus 200 minus 120. Minus 120. Okay? Now, 125 minus 200 minus 75. Minus 75. Okay? Now 200 minus 200, 0. Okay? Now 200 minus 200, 0. 300 minus 200, 100. Okay? Now 400 minus 200, 200. Okay? Now we have to multiply Fi and Dai. Machine the minus. Okay? Now 7 0 is 0. Now 1500. Okay, 1600 how much? That's why you have to rent tables. So the suffer can be avoided. Then 6 42. 4. 1120. 1120. Okay? 1120. Next 5 towards 60 minus 600 minus 600. Okay, now 60 into 75. 60 into 75 into 16. How much? 16. 6 5 is 30. 3. 642. 45. Okay. 1 5 is 5. 1 7 is 7. Okay. Now 0, 10, 100, 12. Okay. Minus 200. Minus 200. Okay. Now 200 0, 0. Now 200 is 200. Okay, now 3 into 200, 600. Okay, now we have to add the RFIDA values. That is nothing but sigma FIDA. Okay? Okay, now the 1120 600 200. Okay, so how much you can add? 0 2 plus 0 2 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 1 9 2920. Okay, now 8 200 plus 600 800. So minus 2920 plus 800. Okay, so that is nothing but minus 2120. 2120. Okay, now here A equal to 200. Okay, A equal to 200. Okay, now sigma FIDA equal to sigma FIDA equal to minus 2120 minus 2120. Okay, 2120. Okay, now we have to calculate the mean value by assuming mean method. Okay, now okay, so xy equal to a plus sigma FIDA by FI 2120. Sigma FIDA equal to 120. FIDA by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi. Okay? Now that equal to A want 200 plus FIDA want minus 212 minus 212 2120 by 40. Sigma F equal to 40. Okay? Now 45, sorry. Sigma F equal to 45. F equal to 45. Okay? Now cut it. Cut it. 5 4 20. Okay? 21 up to 12. 5 2 10. Okay? 2 up to 5 4 20. 5 9 45. Okay? Now that is nothing but 200 plus of minus 424 by 9. 424 by 9. Okay? Now calculate. Now divide 424 by 9. Okay? Now what you can get? 424 divided by 424 divided by 9. Okay? 9. 9 4 36. Okay? 6 4 4. Okay? 963. 963. Okay? Now 1 0. Okay, if you keep point, you can get 0. 9 1 9. Again 10. Again 9 1 9. So it is repeating decimal. So the upper interval is 47.11. Okay, equal to 200 plus of minus 47.11. Okay? That is nothing but percentage minus minus. So 200 minus 47.11. Okay? So now the final answer is you have to subtract 47.11 from 200. Okay? You have to subtract 47.11 from 200. Okay? So subtract. So 200.00 47.11. 47.11. Okay? Do subtract it. Okay? Take borrow. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 1 0. Point 9 minus 1 2. Okay, 9 minus 4 5. 1. Okay? Okay? So x bar equal to how much? X bar equal to 152.9989909. Okay? Oh, sorry. Yeah, 9 is there. 9 minus 1 how much? 8. Okay? 9 minus 1 how much? 8. Okay? So 152.89. Okay? So the minimum, the average, the mean value of we get taken by the 45 bowlers is 150 to point 8 times. Okay, and I think so everybody understood the problem. Here in the example, the HY is not specified. So we have done the problem by using aluminum method. Okay, tomorrow we can discuss the next problem, next examples. Okay, thank you.